Hello, this is Aaron from UroTuning, Customer Service Department. I'm the assistant manager in that department, and we are here to talk about packaging your return. This is how you're going to pack your return after you've gotten the RMA from our returns department. Some things to keep in mind: new products need to come back in their original packaging with everything we would ship it to you with. So hardware, labels, extra packaging on the inside, whatever that came with it needs to come back. The next step, most important step, appropriately sized box for your return. It needs to be big enough to fit the products, but not overly big. The reason for that is we want little space when it's done. So we're gonna stick these in here. As you can see, it fits in the box. A little bit of space left over. The next important step is appropriate packaging material. Depending on what you're packaging, you might need a lot more than this, or a little bit might be okay. We want it to end up nice and tight and secure, and when you shake it, nothing. You don't hear those bolts move, you don't hear those spacers move. They don't hit each other. Some things not to do is to use an excessively large box. This would be too big of a box. These parts in this box with the exact same amount of packaging material are not going to pass a shake test. Those parts are going to move around, hit each other, and break or get damaged. Some additional things to keep in mind: if you're shipping liquids, we would like those to be separate with caps secured, and if you have a bag to put them in, that's ideal. Another important thing to keep in mind is giving your package to the correct shipping service. If we give you a USPS label or a UPS label, your package has to end up with that service. Otherwise, it will not get back to us. If you cannot use a particular service, like USPS is not available in your area, get in touch with our support team and they'll be able to get a label that you will be able to use. And if you have any other questions about how to package your return, or if you have a special scenario where you've got multiple packages, give our support team a message and they'll be able to get you sorted or answer any questions you may have.